Hello, John Davis here, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to use lead magnets for affiliate marketing. These lead magnets I'm using are excellent for affiliate marketers as they're fast to create with unique lead capturing features. If you're an affiliate marketer, you're probably aware of the different types of lead magnets you can create. You can make them for any topic you like, making lead magnets for such things as checklists, how-to guides, video tutorials, micro courses, one-on-one coaching sessions, content summaries, boot camps. The list goes on. There's a whole bunch more. I've created this lead magnet here to show you how you can add value to your YouTube descriptions, blog posts, and social posts. So what I'm covering in this video can be applied to any type of lead magnet you create. Oh, by the way, I'm using something called Lead Creator. And I use that to make my lead magnets, but you can use any tool you currently have. As an affiliate marketer, you can use the unique bonuses you have on the side here, these top features. For instance, the email capture form, which helps you build your list. And then there's the scarcity maker, which reminds people there's a limited number of lead magnets or products available. So it's a first come, first serve basis. Then we've got the expiring URL, which is there's a timer at the top of your page, which will be up here, and it's letting people know that after this time's expired, then it's gone forever. So these are additions that can really add to people signing up for your list or grabbing your lead magnets, your products or your services. Let me cover these now. Okay, let me show you these features on the left menu we have in Lead Creator that really helps grab leads and build your list. So let me start with the email capture. We've got different templates here. We have an ebook style, if I show you that. This is where you'll put a picture of your ebook if that's what you're doing, and the opt-in to the right. We've got the blurred button style with the opt-in below. We've got a video style which shows the video, your video here, and the opt-in to the right. But let me concentrate on just the standard one to start with. We've got the normal opt-in form that we're all used to here. Form fields where we can change the title. We've got there. Let me show you how to do it. Facebook posts become really easy. Really simple. I'll change it to simple just to show you how easy it is to change things. Excuse the pun. Simple. Oh, wrong place. Get rid of that. Get rid of the space. There we go. Facebook comes really simple. There we go. Change that simply. We can change the text on the button there. So show me the money. And we've got double opt-in option here if you require it. The styles, we can change the button color quite simply by clicking there or entering. If I click that, we can choose a color. If I choose red, just for this showcase section. We can change the button text if we like, and here we go with the triggers. This is good. The blur timer, the number of seconds before the page actually blurs, so people watching, it will just change instantly. Basically, I'll show you that in a sec. Half page blur, and the top of the page will be visible, but the rest will be blurred behind the lead capture. And then we've got the mouse scroll where the lead capture will appear once the user scrolls. So let me show you the blur timer. If I just change that for now, we'll go back there, go back to the lead magnets. Let me open the one we're on, and if I update the published version and click view, there we go. Instantly, oh, somebody reads it. There we go, and the opt-in pops in. So they've got to put in their information to actually read your lead magnet and get the information. That's quite good. So let me go back to, let me kill that and go back to where we were, and I'll show you another trigger. So let me say the half page blur. Save changes. Okay, we'll go back to the lead magnet that I'm using and update the version and click on view, and your visitor will start reading your lead magnet, get the good information at the top there. So when they scroll down, half the page is blurred. They've got to enter their details to become a lead and join your list. So that's great. Let me just check another one for you, and we go back there to we'll go back there, templates. Let me go to trigger, show you that one, and we've got the mouse scroll. So if I go there, we can choose 25% of the page, 50%, or 75% when the user scrolls the page. So we'll keep it at 25% just for this instance. Click save changes, go back to my lead magnet which I'm featuring, and update the published version and click view. So your visitor will come to the actual link you're posting or sharing. They'll start reading the information at the top here, which is interesting, and when they scroll down to carry on reading, 25% after the page, up pops the opt-in form. So somebody has to enter their name and email in to carry on reading your lead magnet, becoming a lead obviously, and join your Facebook your email list. So that's really good. We've got another option here, which is up top right there would be a PDF link. So if somebody wants to download this lead magnet you're sharing, they click download and it goes to their device where they can save it and read it later. Obviously in your lead magnet, if you have some links put in within your content, then once they've downloaded it, the links will be there and you've not lost them, sort of thing. They can come back and find you basically after opting in as well. So there we have the opt-in, the email capture page regarding the unique options we have here on the side of Lead Creator. Okay, so another great feature we have here in Lead Creator is the Scarcity Maker. So let me just quickly show you how that works. If we click active to make it live, and then we put in, say, let me say 99. So obviously this is what will appear at the bottom of your capture form. So I've put in 99. It will show only 99 downloads left, which makes it a scarcity option. People will want to opt in basically and join your list because they know this number is going to decline as we go along. So yeah, it's a good way to capture leads, scarcity basically. So like, let me save that now and show you how this works. Okay, let me go back to my lead magnet that we're featuring, and if I update the version, click on view and scroll down, up pops the opt-in form, and there's the 99 I put in downloads left. So obviously somebody will see that and think, well, I better get in quick, add my name, add my email, join your email list. You can put any number in here at all, but obviously you want to keep check of this and make sure it is correct. You know, transparency is the order of the day. Don't just do it just to try and grab leads, but make it real. Have a bit of integrity there. So that is the Scarcity Maker. Okay, and the third one on the feature with the unique things we have here at Lead Creator is the Expiring URL there. Okay, so this is simply a bar that appears, let me show you, at the top of your lead magnet here, which tells you that this lead magnet will expire in X amount of time. So let me show you how it works. Okay, let's make it active. Let me change the date to today is the 18th. Sorry, go to January 18th. I'm here of January 2025. That's the date I'm recording this video. Let me push the time forward a bit, just so it appears okay. I'll save this selection. and I'll go back to my lead magnet I'm showing. I'll update the version and view it online, and there we go. Okay, so it's just saying in 1 hour 48 minutes this will expire. So along with adding an opt-in page, which an opt-in form, which I've already saved there, obviously, this is the way to collect leads for your and build your list. Simply as that. So I'll just show you that again. Expiring URL. We click active. We can change the message here in the text. I'll just leave it there. Well, if I just put this call to action is here to give people an emotional, urgent reason to download your lead magnet as soon as possible. If I just put here right away, just to show you how it changes. Okay, so we've got that. If I keep it to date, well, if I just put the date for tomorrow, just to show you how it can change, simple as that. I keep the same time. Click save, and go back to my lead magnet that I'm featuring, and click the update version and view, and there we have it. This call to action is here, and there's the text I import. So we could change this complete text if we wanted, add different words, and it shows the days that are left in order to grab this via the opt-in form before it disappears. A great way to build your list, don't you think, here at Lead Creator. That is the expiring URL. As I mentioned, I'm using Lead Creator here to create all my lead magnets, so I can add these unique add-ons here to my lead magnets, all for my affiliate marketing efforts. The lead creator links can also be shared anywhere and are easy to maintain. So let me show you how that works. Once you've created a lead magnet here, if you click publish, and then if you copy the share link, let me go to another tab and paste, and there is the link we can share with people to get your lead magnet. Simple as that. Yeah, so that's my lead magnets created in Lead Creator, and Lead Creator is also perfect for you as an affiliate marketer because you can become an affiliate of the product. You can share the templates and use the unique features, these ones here, to attract new customers and build your list. It really is a fantastic tool, this. It's got so much going for it, and it's a great tool to add to your arsenal moving forward. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video, really, where I cover Lead Creator. I'm going to put a link in the description for it, and should you want to check it out for yourself, you can click on that and take a look. Please consider subscribing and hitting the like button, as I'll be adding more videos real soon, and featuring a lot more to do with Lead Creator and these lead magnets. So catch you in the next video, and thanks for watching.